So at the beginning, I will start with your name. What's your name, sir?
Myself Naveen Grover, and I am sales director for North and East India, including some SAARC countries, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh.
Fine, sir. What is the purpose behind this event, Sophos Experience Roadmap?
We are doing a series of channel events across the nation every year, and core important part. First of all, gratitude to our channel partners. Meeting with them is always give us new business opportunities to both of them. And third one, we want to make appreciation and awards for last year partners who have made good job. We have to recognize them, and most important, them we want to enable them. We want to showcase them what are the opportunities in cybersecurity market and how we can grow together along with Sophos and Sophos Pioneers and make more business and more margins.
Sir, here is a magazine like IT Voice. You can share. You can read it.
Yeah.
You can take a look.
Yes, I know about IT Voice. I think it don't need any introduction. It's a very old one and well known in market. And we personally met, I think, many times with Tarun Tonka as well. It is a very great platform for all the OEMs, channel partners, and other IT customers, dealers, and stuff. You can have a very good platform, information, marketing. Good one, I think. Very positive feedback for IT Voice.
What is your experience at dealing at a partner as Sophos?
I don't feel any challenges like that. They are very clear as far as products are concerned, the roadmap is concerned, and the services and the partner ecosystem is concerned. And we are very satisfied with the Sophos, I will say.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, what is your experience as a Sophos partner?
I have a 10 plus years experience. I have started Sophos selling with the CyberHome products, and now we are selling into the all products of Sophos.
Sir, could you tell me about your experience at Sophos as a Sophos partner?
To be honest with you, we have been partners with Sophos for almost like 15 years now. In fact, initial avatar of Sophos was CyberRome, and it was way back in 2010 that we became a partner for CyberRome. After that, CyberRome was taken over by Sophos. Since then, we have been their partners, and I'm happy to inform you we are one of their topmost partners in the country, and we are their platinum partner. So we do business with Sophos, and to be honest with you, the very event that we have been the partners for 15 years means that must be something good in Sophos as far as the company is concerned. It's a very transparent company, and it takes care of its partners very well. So the best part about Sophos is that there is complete transparency. You can approach anyone from top to bottom if you have a challenge, and they are always ready to help you out. As far as pricing is concerned, as far as technical things are concerned. Thank you. My company's name is Technoware Systems India Private Limited. Thank you.
Sir, what is your experience as a Sophos partner?
Okay, if you talk about Sophos, so whenever you're talking about Rice Tech and you're talking about Sophos, so Rajasthan knows very well. We start this journey with the time of CyberHome and 2011-12. We start as a partner of CyberHome, then we start as a sub-distributor of CyberHome. Now we are the sub-distributor for Rajasthan for Sophos. So if you're talking about one word from my side for Sophos, Sophos is very loyal, very caring to the partner, and very loyal company.
Sir, you can wrap up this event in a second. What you would say in a minute?
Yeah. If you want to see opportunity for next financial year, Sophos is a right choice. The way we are growing and the product perceptibility and the customers are met with our new gen products, GTNA, and the strong channel partner ecosystem giving strong opportunity on table. Now we have to encash this with our channel part. Being a channel first company, we always give too much opportunities, enablement for our channel and team.
Thank you so much, sir.